welcome and thank you for joining me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So we're solving this triangle, this trigonometry. I'm using sine rule. So we have 61, A is 61, B is 57. We have to solve the triangle completely, meaning we have to find all the sides and angle missing. This angle, this side, this side, this side. Okay, I think we have one of the side. This is 8.2. 8.2. So we have this side and these two angles. Solve for this angle, this side, and this side. So this A, this is small a. The angle opposite the big A is small a. And the angle opposite, the line opposite the big B is the small b. And then we don't have C, we don't have the big C, we don't have the small c. So we have to solve for this. What do we do? First, let's get C. This is how to solve that. We say 180 minus 61 plus 57, because the sum of the triangle, sum of the angle in the triangle is equal to 180. So 180 minus this, 61 plus 57. So 61 plus 57, 180 minus this will give us 62. So now our C is what? 62. So now we have all our angles. It's time to solve for the sides, A and C. So what do? We do this. It's A over sine A equal to B over sine B. So where is our A? We don't have a small a, but we have big B, which is 61. So it will be A over sine 61 equal to small b. Do we have small b? Yes, 8.2. So 8.2 over big B is 57, sine 57. So now we cross multiply. We cross multiply. Cross multiply. What does that mean? It means this will multiply this and this will multiply this. So A times sine 57 will be A sine 57 equal to this times this will be 8.2 sine 61. Now we want A to stand alone so we can solve for A. What do? We need to use this, divide both sides by this, so A can stand alone. So this is what I mean. A sine 57 over sine 57 equal to 8.2 sine 61 divided by sine 57 sine 57 divided by sine 57. So what do we do now? We cancel out, we divide through. Now A is standing on its own. A is standing on its own, so A is equal to 8.2 sine 61 over this. So when you use your calculator, you press on 8.2 times sine 61, which will be equal to 7.7 over sine 57 over sine 57. So now 7.17 divided by sine 57 will give us what? We'll have 8.4. So this is our A. This is our A. So our A is, we found A this side, which is 8.54. So we have our A, we have our B complete, here, A is complete. What is missing? The small c. So let's solve for the small c. Now to solve for the small c, we use B over sine B equal to C over sine C. And what is small b? Which is 8.2 over sine big B is 57 equal to small c. We don't have small c, but we have the big C, which is 62. Sine 62. So as usual, we cross multiply. We cross multiply. And when we do that, this times this times this, so this will be C sine 57 equal to this times this 8.2 sine 62. So now what do? We divide through by this sine 57, so C can stand alone, so we can solve for C. So divide through divide both sides by sine 57. So what do I mean by that? Means C sine 57 over sine, dividing by sine 57 equal to 8.2 sine 62 divided by sine 57. So when you cancel it out, you have this. So 8.2 times sine 62. 8.2 times sine 62 will give us what? 7.24. 7.24. Now divide by sine 57. Divide by sine 57. And when we've done that, we'll have 8.63. 8.63. So this is our small c. So now we have all our small c. 8.63. So now we have here, this. So we solve the triangle completely. We solve the triangle completely. So let me give you one to solve, please. So try to do this. Sorry. Try to do this. Solve this. Let me make it bigger. Solve this. P, Q, and R. Where our P is 54.3. Our PQ is 108.6. We don't have this. Our small q is 7.6. So solve for R. Solve for R. Solve for this. Thank you for watching.